Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another dupe video because it is April and all month long we do dupes because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute. And so for the whole month of April is when I jam pack it full of all of the dupes for the year, at least for me, because I purchase all of this makeup with my own money. None of this is sponsored and my budget's pretty tight. So we're trying to make a penny and a dollar stretch as far as it can. So don't be surprised if you see a travel size, sample pack, because again, your girl's on a tight budget. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I do believe that dupes give the buyer a lot more options in terms of brand loyalty, brand boycotts, fragrance-free, allergies, ingredient lists, different things like that. So I do understand though that lots of people have lots of feelings about dupes. That does not go unnoticed. However, I do enjoy a good dupe every once in a while. So without further ado, today's dupe, we are facing off the Rhode Glazing Milk Ceramide Facial Essence against the Bubble Cosmic Silk Hydrating Milky Toner. We are going to be seeing different things about these in terms of texture, packaging, and different things like that. So let's get into it. We're going to first talk about the Rhode Glazing Milk. This is like the first product that like went mega viral with Rhode and gave that like glass skin, definitely put like Hailey Bieber on the map. This is the box. This is the product itself. Alright, about Rhode Glazing Milk Ceramide Facial Essence. You can find it at Rhode.com or now at Sephora. It comes in two sizes. This is the smaller version. This is the 2.2 ounces for $20, or they have a full size which is 4.2 ounces for $32. In terms of their sizing, the full size is technically a better value at $32 versus only like half of that at $20. The key ingredients are a ceramide trio of NP-AP-EOP, mineral complex, vitamin E, and glycerin. This is also not to be confused with the peptide glazing fluid or the glazing mist. Hailey, e.l.f., whoever I'm talking to about Rhode, because now e.l.f. owns Rhode, okay? We need to do better about the names of these things. Almost all of your products have the same name or similar names. It makes it a little confusing when you are trying to purchase online. I'm not going to lie. So this is just like the OG Glazing Milk Ceramide Facial Essence. Let's see what Rhode has to say about it. The essential prep step for your skincare routine. Glazing milk is a potent, nutrient-rich complex with a milky texture that leaves skin feeling hydrated and glowy while boosting the skin barrier over time. Provides all-day hydration, preps skin for better skincare and makeup application, helps soothe and calm irritated skin, boosts the skin barrier and helps reduce the appearance of redness over time. Key ingredients: that ceramide trio, a skin identical lipid concentrate that moisturizes, soothes skin, and helps reinforce the skin's natural barrier. The mineral complex is a blend of magnesium, zinc, and copper that helps defend against free radicals and smooth skin. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect against external stressors. And a humectant that, or glycerin, a humectant that moisturizes skin to prevent dryness. Alright, now on to the Bubble Cosmic Silk. This is the outside packaging. This is the component packaging. Very similar in terms of shape. However, the Bubble has a twist top that then comes out, so it doesn't have like an actual twist off cap, but they do dispense the exact same. Couple things about this: you can find this at bubble.com or Ulta, and this is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle for $16. So in terms of cost savings, you are looking at a $16 savings from the full-size Rhode Glazing Milk or a $4 savings from the travel size. So either way, you're getting a little bit of a cost savings with this being at $16. Let's see what Bubble has to say about their milky toner. Oh my glaze! This ceramide rich hydrating milky toner is clinically proven to hydrate, smooth, plump, and improve the radiance of your skin. It's so much more than a glaze. It's a milky, silky toner experience that will change your face forever. Face changing results leave skin looking dewy, radiant, glazed with hydration. Skin type, all skin types, especially dry and dehydrated skin, can use this. Major benefits: maintains the skin barrier over time. And FYI, to dispense Cosmic Silk, twist the lid counterclockwise until it clicks into place, shake out a few drops of the formula, and then wait 15 seconds before closing because it will spout out. Tell me how I know that, because I have experience. Oleic acid and linoleic acid are essential fatty acids that help regulate the skin barrier. Arnica and allantoin help to soothe skin. Plant-based ceramides replenish the natural building blocks to your skin barrier. 4D hyaluronic acid blend delivers targeted hydration to different levels of the skin. And then maple sap water helps to hydrate skin and protect the skin barrier. So they both have the essential ceramides in there, making them the milky toners that they are. However, the formulations and other ingredients are quite different. Full disclosure, I have used the Bubble Milky Toner before because I accidentally ordered 2 on Ulta. Don't ask me. I clicked order and then it said it didn't go through, and then I clicked order again and then my order went through twice. I don't want to talk about it. So I have used the Bubble Milky Toner before, but I haven't used the Rhode Glazing Milk. So I am curious to see if their textures are the exact same or similar, because there's a lot of milky toners out on the market right now. Many skincare brands have them. They are great for hydration. The one that I really like outside of these two is the Laneige. It's great. But the main difference between all of them is the consistency. So we're going to see if these two actually have a very similar consistency to them. If you are unfamiliar with how I do dupes on my channel, I try to use these products side by side so that we can see application, texture, how it applies on the skin, how it looks on the skin. Hence, me being makeup free right now, I want to see how these look on bare skin so that we can get a better test about if they actually are dupes for each other and can be swapped out for each other. So to test these, I am going to use Bubble on this side and I'm going to use Rhode on this side, and we are going to see if they are the same or similar. I'm going to push my hair back. Ugh, bangs. Just so we don't get any in my face. Okay, so here they are on side by side. How I'm initially feeling is that the Cosmic Silk from Bubble has sunk into my skin a lot quicker than the Rhode. The Rhode is kind of like sitting on top of my skin a little bit more. I know I applied the Cosmic Silk first, but like it feels like it's really sunk in quicker and easier. Also, very surprised by how thick the Rhode is. Let me see if I can like do a so this is the Cosmic Silk, this is the Rhode. They have oh, that doesn't look great, but they have very similar textures and consistencies to them. And if one or the other doesn't jive with your, you know, face or skin in terms of I'm putting them on the right. This is the Bubble. This is the Rhode. In terms of ingredients, then this would definitely work better for you. And again, they're the same texture and consistency, but for some reason, the Bubble is going into my skin or drying on my skin or settling into my skin, being absorbed by my skin a lot quicker than the Rhode. But they are both giving me that same like dewy shine to my skin. It is making it look really, really nice. I do feel like if you are wearing this underneath makeup, this is definitely something you need to let sit for a good moment or 2 or 3 before you actually go in to apply your makeup, because it needs to be able to sink into your skin and have that little bit of like setting time or drying time or absorption time. How does it even say to use these? How to use for Bubble: after cleansing, pour a nickel-sized drop of Cosmic Silk onto hands and gently press into your skin. Wait for Cosmic Silk to dry, then follow with your serums and moisturizers of your choice. Rhode: after morning and evening cleansing, apply a generous amount to hands and gently press into face, neck, and décolleté. Shake before use. All right. Before I actually applied either of these, I did put my vitamin C on because it had been a moment. I washed my face this morning. I applied my vitamin C and my eye cream, and then I had to do a whole bunch of momming. I was making lunches and breakfast and cleaning up a little bit, so it's been a moment. I didn't have any moisturizer on my skin, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to let this sit for approximately 5-ish minutes. I'm gonna put my SPF on, which is going to be the Black Girl sunscreen. This is also going to act as my moisturizer. Then I'm going to put my makeup on, and we're gonna see how both of these sit underneath moisturizer, SPF, makeup, and everything, and hopefully nothing will pill. And again, I have used the Bubble before, so I have high hopes, especially with these being very similar textures, that everything will work out. But I'm gonna go finish my face and we'll be back for final thoughts. Okay guys, finished look on my skin is looking radiant and glowing and beautiful. The dark circles are dark circling though. We can't do anything about that. These two sat on the skin beautifully underneath my makeup. Neither of them pilled. They both felt the exact same. There are some caveats that I will say. If your skin is extremely dry or dehydrated, this is a go morning and night for you underneath makeup. You will love both of these, either of these products. So if you are looking for cost savings, Bubble has the exact same texture and consistency as the Rhode. You can save anywhere from $16 to $4 on this. It would be more of an ingredient type of situation, but they both, again, sit beautifully. For people who have combination or oily skin, I don't necessarily know if this would be the best underneath makeup because I accidentally used a hydrating skin tint over top of this, and it was a little much. Until we powdered, I wasn't sure exactly how things were gonna go. This would be amazing for overnight hydration and moisture, and or if you are trying to balance out some of your skin issues due to inflammation, acne, those types of things. This is definitely going to be great for you. I can see how it works for all skin tones, but if you are more on the oily or combination side, just be aware underneath makeup, this would definitely need to go underneath something matte. Matte, 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 matte. And even for dry skin, like this also still might need to go under something matte because using it with a skin tint or something on the more dewy finish side, you gotta powder. You gotta powder a lot. But yeah, like I said, it both looks beautiful. You know, they both look beautiful underneath the makeup. They're making my skin look especially nice, especially in like this area. It's looking, the texture is texturing. It's looking really, really great. So definitely a dupe. $16 for the Bubble Cosmetics Silk Hydrating Milky Toner, $32 or $20 for the Rhode Glazing Milk Ceramide Facial Essence. I will link these down in the description box below, so if you are interested in either of them, you can check them out on your own time. What did you think about this dupe? Did you like it? Did you not? Let me know your comments or your thoughts down in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or you enjoyed it, and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.